Good morning, everybody. Things are speeding up, and there is brightness coming in all areas of your life. Spirit has a plan for you, and you're going to be very pleased how things are going to unfold for you. They say that you need to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people's. You do have problems to be resolved, but they say that you must bring your ideas to life. The star card says there's brightness and hope coming into your life. You are feeling somewhat confused by the events that are unfolding around you and the various seemingly contradictory informations that are coming your way. Trust your instincts and do what they are telling you to do, and you will learn a lot more about yourself and the direction that you want your life to go. There are changes in your life. Now is your lucky time, and there is an angel working on the relationships of loyalty and love in all your relationships. They say that they can see that you're on brink on a breakthrough that you have patiently been waiting for. A situation is about to come full circle. The lessons have been learned. This is a win-win situation for you. Trust that they are working behind the scenes to ensure the best outcome for you. You are going to have triumph over troubles and obstacles. Your angels and spirit guides and your loved ones are watching over you at this time, and they want you to take some time to rest and rejuvenate. You need to pace yourself for the changes that are coming your way. They are all positive, bigger and better things are coming for you. Just relax and trust. They say you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.